Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Airwallex account. Let's get started. First, open the Airwallex website. Once the website loads, click on Login. Here, you'll see several options. Select Sign Up to create a new account. Now, under Business Email, enter your email address and click Get Started. On the next page, you'll see a few questions about your business. For example, you'll be asked, how big is your company? Choose the answer that best matches your business, then continue to the next question. You'll see another question. Again, select the answer that applies to your business and move forward. If you see another question marked as optional, you can answer it or leave it blank, then click Next. Now it's time to create your account. Your email address should already be filled in. Enter your business name, followed by your legal first name and last name. Next, click Create a Password and enter a secure password for your account. Once you've entered your password, click Next. Now enter your phone number and click Create Account. You'll then need to verify your phone number using the OTP code sent to your phone. After verification, you'll see two options: Activate My Account and Explore My Dashboard. And there you go! Your Airwallex account has been created, and you can now access your dashboard. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials.